Good morning and happy Saturday. Like I said, we're gonna go to Virginia and we're gonna go get some canvases, get some paint supplies, Trader Joe's. I have a couple other places that I really want to stop, so should be fun. We'll definitely be getting coffee on the way out. Let's go. This is actually so comfortable. Good morning, you guys. We're gonna walk and watch the sunrise. Ooh. And that's why I have it stuck. I have a lanyard attached to my phone. I just got water all over me. Because I knew that was gonna happen. So we're gonna go watch the sunrise. I have my water. This is the lanyard. It's gorgeous. It is so old. This is falling down. So I'm just getting myself ready because I have a couple things to film this morning. And then I have plans with friends and I'm excited for that. I hope you enjoyed the sunrise because it was gorgeous. So far what I've used is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. CC Cream. Hydrating CC Cream. And then I went in with my Charlotte Tilbury Radiant Concealer. I already did my hair. That's about it. This is my breakfast that I just made. Breakfast lunch, it's like 11:30. And I just got done with the gym. I had to sleep in. It's day one of my cycle. So I'm feeling really, really tired today. And I have to film 2 UGC videos. Not looking forward to because I'm just not feeling up to it, but I have to. So anyway, I'm gonna eat this, get the house together so it's presentable to actually film. And then I'm gonna get that done. And then I think I'm gonna rest the rest of the day. But anyway, I just wanted to check in. I went to the gym. That was great. Still haven't painted anything for that yet. As you know, we have the canvases. So anyway, that's it. Love you. Bye. Also, okay, I look like this because I'm filming a UGC video, a health brand. It's like a morning routine. So I've got my eye patches on and stuff. I did a poll on Instagram as to whether or not I should do the silk screen. silkscreen it is. It was like 19 to 10 votes for this painting. So anyway, we're gonna go with it. Okay, also, like I said, first day of my cycle. So I feel awful, but I might take drugs and go to the beach because look at this. And it says that the water is 73 degrees. I don't know if I can pass that up. Okay, now I'm getting excited. Nothing like some fun surf and warm water to make you feel better. Okay, I might go. Just at Home Depot, we're grabbing some screws to hang the Asian silk screen. Because we need to brace the back of it because it folds. So got to make it so that it doesn't fold anymore. So that is what we are doing. Good morning, you guys. I got a picture hung in there, so the girl is gone, thank God. And I'm just heading to the gym. Some really exciting things are happening. I worked out. That's not exciting. And I forgot my headphones. But I received an invitation to be a part of a big indoor art show in New Jersey this fall. And I just filled out the application, submitted everything, and paid for my spot. So I'm very excited. That will be in November. So we have a few months to prep. And now I need to clean, film. Oh, we hung the Asian silk screen. All right, so I haven't made my bed yet or anything, but I think it looks so good. I just tried to film 3 separate times outside, me walking, like exercising, pouring. It's just, it keeps pouring. The minute I think like, oh, I have an opening, no. Oh well. All right, we're in the studio and I'm cleaning. I'm getting everything organized as I can. I have so much trash to throw away, so many things that I just don't use anymore. So let me show you what I have done so far. So this is going to be my smaller petite painting station portraits. This side, this is paint palette paper. It's kind of got that slick parchment paper, but anyway, it's just nice to mix all of your paint colors on. It's just a palette that you can, you know, throw away when you're done. So I love that. And I've separated my brushes, big, small. I have a portrait to start on there. Don't mind my nail because I am once again trying to find the perfect red, which I think I found it, TJ Maxx. And then this side is going to be for the large paintings. And then as for the rest of the office studio, I have a lot to clean. This is the situation right now. It's looking pretty good. I might hang some more inspo paintings. I hung the Asian lantern. Time for bed. It's like 9 p.m. but I was sent this in the mail to try as PR. This is called Hydronail. It is basically like an eye mask but for your nails. So as you guys know, I've been trying to let my nails heal because I've been doing extensions for a little bit, and I have to say, okay, first and foremost, when you rip your nails off yourself, that really damages your nails, okay? But when you go and you get them soaked off the correct way which majority of my nails, I did do that. I had a few that came off. And of course, my actual nail bed, it ripped layers off of it. And so obviously it was very sensitive to the touch. It hurt really bad. Then I went and I actually got them taken off correctly. I just have to say, what a difference. Okay, so my nails in general, majority of them, they look great. Okay, they're a little sensitive, like when I press hard, but other than that, the actual nail bed looks very good and very healthy. I am so excited to try this because I have such brittle, thin nails in general. I always have. So Hydronail, I will keep you updated and let you know my thoughts. But yeah, you put them on at night before you go to bed, you wear them overnight, and then you wash them off in the morning when you wash your hands. Okay, so let's put them on together. So this is what it looks like. This is so interesting. All right, I'm gonna do the rest. Hi, hello. We are gonna go and kind of arrange / decorate our porch. You need some TLC, and I went to the Goodwill. I found this table. It looks like it's a teak table for $7. And I've been wanting something, you know, like an actual table where I can put a chair and have coffee and do my journaling. Very excited about that. Also got these 2 lounger chairs, kind of like with hammock seats. Someone was throwing them away. Amazing find for free. So let's go do that together. But also I need to get my latte. Hold on. Okay. And now that I have my latte, let's go. These are the 2 chairs. They are so nice. They're actually like rockers. When you sit in them, you can rock or they can just stay as is. Let me show you the table. I actually love this here, only because I want, if I'm gonna film, I want just a plain background, privacy, and not like where I live. A little wobbly, but that's okay. I think this is gonna be adorable. There is potentially one other spot I could put it, and I might do that. Hold on. This is actually better. All right, I think the porch looks really good. And now I am going to start painting. The painting to go in the huge ornamental frame that I found. I just don't really know the color palette I want to do. So I need to do some Pinteresting real quick. Try to get a color palette going. Done. I really like it. I feel like it's got such a nice airy light feeling to it, and I think it's gonna go well in the big frame. Obviously I could end up selling this later on, we'll see, but for now I really love it. I'll film again obviously when it's